Hi guys! For today's video, I am going to show you the best 5 Fiverr low competition gigs. So first, go to the Fiverr website. Make sure that you have your account here, but for me I have automatically logged in, so you need to log in for your account. Now I am going to show you the first best Fiverr low competition gig. So it's what we call the NFT arts. Once you search on NFT Arts, you will see a lot of services available, which is 14,229, meaning a lot of people offer this kind of service. And as you can see it here, these are the rates that they offer. So starting at $40, starting at $50, and it depends. So for example, I will click the first one, right? Let's try to check. So from the first one that we selected from the NFT art, you will see here some options like basic, standard, premium, okay? And it also says here, I will do custom NFT art collection with 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 NFTs, okay? You will also see here at the bottom part, the samples of that person, he creates NFT arts. I think they also use Canva for making NFT. You can also search that on YouTube on how to make NFT arts for free. Also here, when you click on basic, you will see the rate for $40. Okay, if you click on standard, he asks for $400, and it says here that he can make you a base character 36 and 5,000 NFT collection. When you click on premium, you will also see that he charged for $700, and then you will have like 10,000 NFT arts. Okay, now, so this is the first one from the 5 best Fiverr low competition gigs. Okay, now let's go to the number 2 out of the best low competition gigs here in Fiverr. So that is the Generate 1000 NFT. So I will be typing it here in the search bar. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the result. We have 1,548 services available. So meaning there's still a lot of people who offers this service, okay? And as you can see again, there are rates here based on the budget that you have. For example, there are starting at $15, $30, and so on. So let's say, for example, I am going to click the first one again. So let's just check, okay? So he says here, I will create 1,000 3D NFT items, collectibles, characters, and voxel art. Okay, let's try another one. Let's say, for example, the other one here. How about this one? Let's open it in a new tab. So it says here, I will generate a collection of NFT variations with metadata and rarities. Okay, so again, at the lower part of the screen, you will see here the samples that they provide for the NFT art or NFTs that they are creating. Okay, also you have here the options of the price. Let's say, for example, when you say basic, he will make you like up to 2,000 NFTs for $15. And for standard, you can create 6,000 NFTs for $30. And for premium, he can create or you can purchase the GUI application for $75. So it really depends on the service that they offer. Also here, you will see 2 orders in queue, meaning there are 2 projects ongoing already. Okay. And you just need to click what kind of what kind of option or package you want to choose here. Is it basic, standard, or premium? Now we are going to the third out of the 5 best Fiverr low competition gigs. So the third one is what we call packaging and label design. Okay, I think you're familiar with this, right? So when you say packaging and label design, you will see that there are 4,949 services available. So there's a lot of people who can do this for you. And you will see here the samples, okay, from the word packaging, right? The label of the products, like that. Okay, so let's try to open one example here. So here he says, I will do unique product packaging and label design in 24 hours. So you will see here the samples that he created, like that. Oh, for the label of a box, like that. Or this is like cosmetics, for coffee, shampoo, and so on. So the basic package that he asked for is $20. For the standard, it's $30, and for premium, it's $50. Okay, again, it depends on how much is your budget and if what package you want to get. Okay, now we are going on the fourth one out of 5, so which is what we call the jersey design. Oh, oops. So we have here jersey design. Okay, so I think you are familiar with jersey. So this is the uniform that we wear, basketball like that, or any other sports, right? So the services available here for jersey design is 606. Okay, so let's try to check one. Let's try this one for $10. Let's see. Okay, he says here, I will design jersey for esports, soccer, etc. in 24 hours. Okay, you will see here the samples of the design of the jersey that he created. So we have here, this is for soccer like that, right? And other jerseys. Again, you will check the package if how much. For example, for basic, he asked for $10 for design. Okay, standard is $35. So it says here one jersey concept plus high resolution plus a 3D mock-up. And for premium, he asked for $40, which is 3 jersey concept, high resolution plus a 3D mock-up plus print ready plus free source file. Okay, so it really depends on how much you want to spend for this service. Okay, so it shows here also that it has 5 orders in queue. Okay, so that's the fourth one. Now let's go to the last one out of the 5. Okay, so the last one, I think you are very familiar with this. Okay, we call it. Okay, so we are done on the fourth one. So I will now show you the last one out of the 5 best fiber low competition gigs. Okay, so here we have, this is very familiar. Okay, this is what we call the Instagram Reels. Okay, so you will see here like 1,365 services available for Instagram Reels. So I think you're familiar with this, like short videos like that. Okay, so let's try to check this out. Okay, I will edit Instagram Reels or TikTok videos with interactive subtitles. So you will see here it's samples like that. Okay. Yeah, so I think you are familiar with Reels. Like these are short videos that we see on Instagram, on TikTok, on Facebook, like that. So he asked for $15 for a 30-second video, a standard for $25 for a 60-second video, premium for $115 for 5 videos up to 60 seconds each with interactive subtitles. Okay, so I think that's a good amount. Okay, again, it really depends on how much you want to spend for the service. So he has 9 orders in queue. Okay, so there, you already know what are the 5 best fiber low competition gigs. So again, the first one is NFT arts. The second one is generate 1,000 NFTs. The third one is packaging and label design. The fourth one is jersey design. And the last one is Instagram Reels. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys, and see you again on the next video. Bye!